I'm Coy Wright, Vice President of Energy, Utilities, and Resources Industry Solutions here at Rimini Street. By harnessing the power of AI, companies in the energy, utilities, and resources sectors are achieving unprecedented levels of efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. One of the most significant applications of AI is in smart grid management. Companies are using AI to analyze real-time data from occupancy sensors in buildings, weather patterns and forecasts, and historical usage data to manage power consumption and predict demand to optimize supply and reduce waste. This not only ensures available power, but increases grid resilience, reduces operation expenses, and can also reduce greenhouse emissions, supporting your company's ESG goals, contributing to a cleaner environment. AI-driven predictive maintenance is another game changer. By analyzing data from equipment sensors, companies can forecast potential failures before they occur. This proactive approach minimizes unplanned downtime and extends the lifespan of critical machinery, ensuring seamless operations. AI is also used to optimize the integration of renewable energy sources. Advanced algorithms analyze weather patterns and energy consumption data to balance the supply and demand of renewable energy, such as solar and wind power. This helps utilities manage the intermittent nature of these sources and ensures a stable energy supply. AI-powered analytics are transforming decision-making processes. By processing vast amounts of data, AI provides actionable insights that enable companies to make informed decisions quickly and accurately. This leads to improved operational efficiency and cost savings. AI is also playing a crucial role in reducing the environmental impact of energy production. By monitoring emissions and analyzing different carbon mitigation strategies, companies can minimize their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. From smart grids to predictive maintenance, AI is driving digital transformation, innovation, and efficiency in the energy, utilities, and resources sector. AI can free up resources that can be allocated to more strategic investments for the business. The IT General Manager at Doosan, a Rimini Street client, said it this way: "Without digital innovation, it's hard to maintain competitiveness. The budget to invest in innovation was insufficient, but since moving to Rimini support, we now have savings to invest in digital innovation to make our company a leader in the new IT environment." If you'd like to discuss how your organization can accelerate your business transformation, contact Rimini Street. We'll get you there.